We're going to be talking about how to use Google Analytics to boost your organic traffic. This is Crossing Seas. I'm Court Cross, and I'm here to help you navigate to success. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and let's check out the slides. Alright, so what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free software suite from Google that provides many useful tools for proper website optimization. It provides useful information about visitors such as their source and how long they remain on a specific page. Then use what information from Google Analytics to improve your SEO efforts and attract more customers. Alright, so first we need to understand how Google Analytics separates organic traffic. With Google Analytics enabled, you can begin to identify exactly where your traffic is coming from. Any traffic that arrives from a listed search engine is considered organic traffic. If the traffic source is through paid advertisement or third-party sites, they're categorized as referral traffic. Every visitor to a website will have a source and thus will fall into one of these two categories. Google Analytics gives all traffic up to 5 attributes. First one is source. This is the origin site the visitor used to reach your site. Medium. Example mediums include organic, referral, and non. Keyword. The majority of Google searches use HTTPS, and this will cause the keyword to set to not provided. Campaign. If the traffic originated from a Google ad campaign, then it will be listed with your Google Analytics. Content. This value is used to determine a specific link within the content used as an originating source. Alright, how to boost your organic traffic. Link building. Google looks highly on sites that are linked to by other authority sites. The process of getting other websites to link to your content is called link building. In the past, it was as simple as paying websites to add your link to their content. Today, it is a more delicate process that requires regularly publishing quality content. Keyword search. Learning how to perform proper keyword search is one of the fundamental steps to becoming a marketing expert. In general, it involves the identification of words or phrases that are searched frequently on a given search engine. You'll want to identify popular keywords or phrases that relate to your industry and aren't considered highly competitive words. Quality content. This is one of the most important aspects of search engine optimization. There is a common expression that goes, content is king, and it is very accurate. Without high quality content, you cannot build strong backlinks and you won't retain long-term visitors. Alright, let's talk about using Google Analytics to make an improvement. As you push forward to publish quality content and secure backlinks, you should rely on Google Analytics to measure your progress. It may take several weeks for certain changes to make a difference, but you should begin seeing a gradual and consistent climb in organic search traffic as you implement the techniques above. Thank you for watching. In the description box below, I'll have my #1 way to make money online. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in ranking your blog, or you're having a hard time writing blog posts, or you want to start a blog and you just don't have the writing ability, there's a company that I use that really helped me supercharge my blog. They write better than me. They're inexpensive, relatively inexpensive. And so if you click on the link below, it'll say, I need help with my blog. Click on that link, put in your information. I'll send you the information I have on it, and I'll be happy to set you up with them.